Every single day, 10 millions of bottles of one iconic cola are produced around the world.
But behind that familiar fizz lies one of the most advanced liquid engineering systems ever built.
Before a single drop is poured, the bottles begin their journey.
It starts with purified water, filtered and refined to strict industrial standards. Multiple filtration stages remove microscopic impurities before blending begins.
In a separate, controlled area, the signature syrup is carefully prepared.
Every ingredient is measured with precision, clean down to fractions of a gram.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Powerful mixers ensure the syrup blends into a perfectly uniform concentrate.
From there, it travels through sealed pipelines toward the main production line.
Water and syrup meet to create the base of the iconic cola.
But the true transformation happens when carbonation is introduced.
Pressurized carbon dioxide is infused under controlled conditions.
Within seconds, millions of microscopic bubbles begin to form.
Precise pressure control ensures the perfect level of fizz.
Inside sealed chambers, the liquid stabilizes under exact atmospheric conditions.
Now fully carbonated, the beverage moves toward high-speed filling.
Before filling, every bottle is thoroughly rinsed and sanitized. Rotary systems flip and align bottles with flawless timing. This is where thousands of bottles are filled every minute. Under controlled pressure, the cola flows in, heaty, fast, precise, and perfectly measured. Excess foam dissipates as the liquid stabilizes. Within milliseconds, each bottle is sealed airtight. Sensors verify that every cap is secured to exact torque specifications. Air jets dry the bottles before labeling begins. Finally, labels are applied with millimeter precision. Each label wraps around the bottle in a perfectly timed rotation. Gentle heat secures the label tightly to the surface. Vision systems inspect alignment down to fractions of a millimeter. Sensors verify that every bottle contains the exact fill level. Any bottle outside strict standards is instantly removed. Approved bottles accelerate toward final packaging. Automated guides organize bottles into exact group formations. Protective film secures them into compact bundles. Heat transforms loose film into a firm, durable pack. Larger shipments are packed into reinforced cartons. Robotic arms handle each case with flawless precision. Each carton is sealed for transport durability. Final weight checks confirm consistency across every shipment.
Boxes are stacked into stable pallet formations.
Stretch wrapping secures the load for global distribution. From factory floor, the journey continues. Inside distribution centers, millions of bottles await shipment. Trucks carry them across cities and countries. From massive factories to local stores.
The finished bottles finally reach consumers worldwide.
Temperature control plays a crucial role in preserving carbonation.
Cold storage slows molecular movement inside the liquid. The dissolved carbon dioxide remains trapped under pressure. The airtight seal prevents gas from escaping.
From storage facilities to store shelves, freshness is maintained.
Waiting for the perfect moment. And then, someone picks one up.
The seal breaks, releasing that unmistakable sound.
Carbonation comes alive the instant it meets air.
Millions of bubbles race to the surface.
Temperature and carbonation create the signature refreshment.
A simple sip, backed by massive engineering.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Across continents, billions experience the same sensation. All powered by one of the most efficient beverage systems on Earth. A non-stop cycle of precision, speed, and science. Inside facilities like this, production never truly stops.
Thousands of bottles every minute. Each one filled with precisely balanced carbonation. Every machine synchronized like clockwork.
A choreography of steel and automation. All for a sensation that lasts just seconds.
A familiar sparkle engineered at industrial scale. From massive plants to nearly every corner of the planet.
Moving continuously, day and night. An endless stream of refreshment. From a single drop. To one of the largest beverage production systems ever built. Behind every sip, decades of industrial innovation.
Billions produced, millions consumed. One iconic formula, powered by science, scale, and precision.